Good morning, students. Today we are starting the next chapter and it is related to biology. As you know that biology is the subject that deals with the living organisms. Means the branch of science in which we study about the living organism is known as biology. And today we are starting your first chapter of biology. It is life process. Yes, student, life process plays very important role to support the life. Means it is only the process from which all the living organisms have the life. Or we can differentiate the living organism from the non-living organism on the basis of life process. If the living organism don't have the life process or they don't have any function related to life process, they can't survive them. So life process is a basic functions to support the life. Means the basic functions that are performed by the living organism to support the life are known as life process, student. Like now I am speaking and you are listening me. So it also come in the category of life process, because in the speaking there are the muscular motion is taking place and I am producing the force on my muscular organ, and that muscular organ is attached with the vocal cords, and vocal cords start the vibration, and you are listening my sound with the help of your ear, and your ear also have the cartilaginous membrane in the form of eardrum, and you are listening me. And in this there is one important part of our body work, that is nervous system, and it is also known as the control coordinating system. In this many endocrine glands, and with this our brain is playing very important role. Means we know about the environment with the help of this system. Like this, there are the different systems are found in our body, and all those systems are in your syllabus, student. And these all system or these all process helps the living organism in their survival. Like the first life process is nutrition. Now what is nutrition, student? Nutrition is the process from which the living organism take the nourishment or they take the food and they utilize that food for the different purposes, and this process is known as nutrition. So nutrition is the essential life supporting function that provides the food to the living organism. Next is respiration. Respiration is also the life supporting function, student. The food that is taken by the living organism, that food is oxidized with the help of respiration, student. If the living organism don't have the respiration, then they can't get the energy. And as you know that the energy is required for all these basic functions. Yes, all the basic functions, even in the nutrition also. Like we do the digestion of the food with the help of energy, student. In that also the energy is required. Means we digest the food with the help of energy. Next is transportation. Transportation is the basic life supporting function, student. With the help of this, the food material, ions, waste substances and water is transported in the body of the living organism. Like in our body, these substances are transported with the help of blood or lymph. Blood and lymph help to transport the different substances. And what are those substances? They may be food, waste material, ions, enzymes, hormones. All these are the substances that are transported from one part to another. So the transportation is also the basic life supporting function, student. Now we come on the next, excretion. Excretion is the important function, student, that is found in all the living organisms. With the help of them, or with the help of the excretion, what the living organisms do, they remove the waste material. As you know that the waste material contains the toxic substance. If they don't remove the waste material, then that toxicity may increase, and due to that toxification, the particular living organism may die, student. That's why excretion is the important life supporting function, student. Now we come on the next important life supporting function is reproduction, and it is also in your syllabus, student. In the 8th chapter you will read about. So student, reproduction is the important life process. It is important, student, because with the help of this, all the living organisms continue their life and their race. They produce their own kind with the help of reproduction. Means they do the different mode of reproduction, and with the help of those reproduction, student, they can make their own kind, or they can produce their offsprings, or they can produce the new individual with the help of reproduction. And you will read about it in detail in the 8th chapter, student. Now we come on the next, control and coordination. In our surrounding, there are the different changes takes place, student. All about those changes we know with the help of this life process, student. And in this, our brain, or the nervous system, central nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system, and endocrine system plays very important role. With the help of this system, we know about all those changes, and we do the response. So it is the process from which we know about the change in the surrounding, and we do the response, means all the living organism do the response according to those changes with the help of control and coordination. And the system that are involved in this is endocrine system and nervous system. Endocrine system and the nervous system involved in this type of life process, student. Now we come on the next, growth. Growth is the important life supporting function, student, in which all the living organisms increase their size, and due to increasing the size, they grow day by day, especially the plants. All the plants grow towards the sunlight, and this life supporting function is known as growth, student. Like in a limited period of the time, the human being also do the growth. Like we have the growth from 1 year to 21 years. Our body grow day by day. Like this, other living organism also grow, student. Next is development. Development is also the life supporting basic function. In this, the many changes takes place in the body of living organism, and all these positive changes that are takes place inside the body of the living organism are known as development. We can observe only the physical development, and the physical development is related to our physical phenomena. Like we can know about the development of the plant if we measure the height of that. So there are the different type of development. Like especially in the case of human, there are many development, physical, mental and social development take place. Now we come on the next important life supporting function. It is movement. There are different movement takes place, student. Some movement we can notice and some we can't. Especially some living organism can move from one place to another place, and those living organisms are known as motile living organisms or mobile living organism. They can move from one place to another, and this process is known as locomotion, in which they change their position. But there are some living organisms does not change their position. They have the fixed place, and that type of position is known as, or those living organisms are known as immotile living organism. But inside their body or inside the body of the living organism, there are many movements takes place, student. All those movements are related to biochemical molecules. Means the molecules move from one place to another, and that movement is known as molecular movement, student. And with the help of that molecular movement, we have the life. Means all the living organisms have the life, because all these life supporting function need the biomolecular movement. With the biomolecular movement, all the life supporting function need the energy, student. Now from where they take the energy? All the living organisms take the energy from the food, and the food provide them the chemical energy, and that chemical energy is used to perform these all life supporting function. If they don't get the food, then they can't perform these life supporting functions, student. So energy plays very important role. Now what is the main source of energy, student? Can you tell me what is the main source of energy? The main source of energy is sun. First, that energy is obtained by the plant with the help of photosynthesis, and after that it is transferred to the different living organism as food, student. So the energy plays very important role to perform the basic function to support the life. So you will read this chapter. Today we discuss the different life supporting function. In our next segment we will discuss about the nutrition. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.